Hi guys, it's me Khalid. Welcome to my show Just for Kids. Let's learn something very interesting today. See, I've drawn a butterfly. The pink wing is at the left hand side and the blue wing is at the right hand side. Now I'm putting a glass in front of my drawing. I'm putting water in this glass and see the magic.
Why this happens? We see the butterfly when the light rays reflected from it reaches our eyes. When we keep the glass of water in front of the drawing, the light rays have to pass through it to reach our eyes. The glass seen from above is circular in shape, having curved surface, and glass filled with water acts as a lens. Secondly, the light rays travel from the lighter medium air to denser medium water to reach our eyes. When the light rays pass through this glass, traveling from the lighter medium, it bends. It reaches the eyes in the opposite direction. The image of butterfly gets reversed horizontally. This phenomenon is called as refraction. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please like it and share it and subscribe my channel.